So at Tate Lates, we're doing our cap takeover, Tate Lates. This particular area is, the idea of it was to kind of take a section of our practice from the studio, bring it to the Tate, and kind of make it an interactive, public-facing way of showing something that's normally quite private.
So Camp Festival is something that happens every year in the spring, and it's usually a series of events that is put on by the CAP program. Again, I think it's really a way for CAP students to learn about professional practice and start engaging with artist communities beyond the RCA.
And it's the first time that Tate has worked with students to take part in Tate Late, so we're very privileged and very excited to be here.
There's just a whole lot of us doing a whole lot of different things. We've got artist one-to-one tables where people are showing their work for 5 minutes for one person. I'm doing a 10-minute performance. There's a group of us doing artist talks, live performance.
Tate had a really specific brief that they wanted us to follow about tactility and response to the women artists that are on show here at the moment, and so it was really tricky. We had to work very hard to tailor our practice to what they wanted, but the artists have come up trumps and come up with very specific interactions and activations that work really well.
So, hi everyone, we're doing, this is a workshop responding to Maria Bartuszova's Eggs with a Twist. It's a selection of material collages, exquisite corpses, and we're encouraging participants, whether friends or strangers, to place their hands inside and let their hands guide them in a creative response in whatever format to the sculptures.
It's great. I love speaking to strangers, and the fact that people are so curious, I think it's so sweet and it's so generous of them as well.
We have artist tables here, all different types of artists. You can talk to them and they'll run you through what they're doing. There's also portraits and there's sculptures you can make or some healing. We'll have a swap over half time.
It's been really interesting working at an MA level with the Tate, because obviously we're all like professional artists here, but we are also representing an institution going into another institution. So it's been really exciting. It's definitely been very like educational about all like the admin and stuff like that, and the actual real life reality of working with a gallery. You know, you're not just gonna rock up and show your work and like, you know, set something on fire.